Leslie's doesn't include this in their sheet that they print out for you with regard to the steps to take during the green to clean program. But it should be obvious. Anything that's in the pool, anything floating in the pool should be removed. Any toys, any floaties, thermometers, they need to be removed and thoroughly cleaned as well. And, of course, you need to skim and get all organic matter and organic debris out of the pool. Then after that, we will proceed with shocking the pool, an initial shock with just dichlor, because we need to raise the level of, at least for Leslie's program, we need to raise the level of chlorine to 2 to 2.5 parts per million. So I'm going to shock this pool after I skim it, after I take the toys out, and then I will brush.